now I go to show you about this, the RevEng system. This multi-link case only have the 256 channel. By using that, you can learn in all of the net list from the PCB, and we can go to the RevEng cake as a schematic cake. You can use that to create the schematic. You don't need to do it all in one time. You can do this separately or part of that and combine in the end and put it together. Okay. So today of course I don't want to doing this all. I just show you how to do that in one simple procedure. Okay. So in here, you need to type in the IC reference, which means it's the number of the PCB. And this one will be the ICA1. ICA1. Don't ask me why, because that is information in here. Okay, I just follow it. So part number will be the 74 LS file. Yeah. Enter. Okay. And that's all the ICB1. Is it? Yeah, ICB1 is a 193. Let's go to 193. 74 LS193. Enter. So we just got these two. Okay. So that's it. So we just go to scan, and only two devices in here. We can scan the board, and the system will ask you to check the connecting high and low. Yes. Okay. We go to scan, and they ask you to connect the cable to the first one. Yeah, this one. Yep. Okay. Once it connects and the connecting is good, it will show you the green for each pin. Or you just need to accept the click. So next one will be ICA1. Okay, it's good again. Accept. Done. Okay, the system is scanning. You're just checking all of the wire. Okay, and go to the save. Okay, we can save the 2020. Save and save. And go to the scan history. Yes, we have two devices. Netlist. Yes, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 netlist. Okay, so we just export the netlist. So again, 2020. Yeah. Save. Directly. Okay. So we just open the RevEng. To be qualified, the RevEng is the professional schematic, the CAD in here. And I would like to double check, can you guys to see the RevEng software? Is it?
Yes, we can.
Okay, good. I just want to make sure. Yeah, so we can go to import the project in here, and 2020. Yeah. Import, yes. So 2020, yes, here. Okay. And import, yes. Okay, good. Close, and go to the. Okay, they put every component in the middle. So we need to have some standard procedure in here, and just need to double check. Yes, yes. And okay, we can move this one with a host, and this one. Okay, it will auto placing the other component around this component, the host component. So we can move to the right place. Okay. next moment will be very exciting moment because we need to turn on off the wire. Ta-da! Okay, close. Yeah, that's what we got. Is it lovely? Is it?
Wow, it looks like black magic.
Yeah. So if you want to finish this PCB, you just need to follow the instruction by our software in here. You can see this. You can see this. You can go to the scan just step by step. Once you increase one, the coverage will reduce, and after you finish all of that, the coverage will become 100%. And you can go to the ABI and do the same step that I did in today, and you can have your own schematic. Okay.
Yeah, and people can go to. I've sent them some links through the chats here, so they can watch our videos on YouTube, connect with us on LinkedIn. We are very active on social media, very active on LinkedIn and Twitter as well. So we're constantly posting video interviews as well with our customers. And I recently posted on LinkedIn an interview that I had with Metro Rio, so the Rio Underground in Brazil. And they use our products. They use Boardmaster RevEng to be using for last 4 or 5 years, and they saved over $5 million during this time by doing the repairing house, thanks to the Boardmaster and RevEng. So if you want to see how the how RevEng is how RevEng works, for instance, and more information, as well as more information on the Boardmaster, you can go and check us out on social media. Okay.